So how was that trip?
Good.
What'd you like about it?
I go down the hills.
Did you like it when I was racing you?
Whoa! No.
No, why not?
I wasn't even like.
Oh.
Guess what?
What? Ready?
But it matters if I'm in front of the car.
Oh!
Because I'm on a bike.
Got it. Even though I touched the car first?
No. I got there first.
Oh.